backwards on our hundreds chart. So I showed you the hundreds chart yesterday. You have a copy of this in the learning pack that you would have collected from school. And if you haven't collected it, please make sure you go and get that today. That way then you can use and do the activities that are in your learning pack. So before I can count backwards, I want to count forwards to a number. So I'm going to try and count as high as I can on the hundreds chart. So that way then I can count backwards from the number I got up to. So here I go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Oh no, wait, that's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, I'm going to stop there today at 23. So 23 is the highest number that I could count to. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to count backwards from that number all the way to number 1. So this might be a little bit tricky, so I need to remember that I point with my finger on each of the numbers when I do it, and I'm going to use the mouse on my computer. So here I go. So 23, 22, 21, and then we're going to go all the way back over here. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I counted all the way back from 23 to 1. Now I'm going to have a go at picking a number in here. So one of the numbers that I knew, and then I'm going to count backwards from that all the way to 1. So like what I did in yesterday's lesson, and this time I'm going backwards, not forwards. I'm going to start this time from 18, and I'm going to count backwards all the way to 1. So here I go. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm getting the hang of this now. I'm going to do one more number today, and I'm going to start from 9 this time. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's how I do it. That's how I count backwards. So your job today, practice counting forwards first. So count as high as you can. And then from that number that you got to, so I got all the way to 23, then see if you can count backwards to 1, and then pick some different numbers to count from. Okay, remember, we want to see lots of photos, and you might even get your mum or your dad or auntie, uncle, whoever you live with, to take a video of you counting backwards to share it with your teacher. That'd be really cool as well. All right, have fun. If you've got any questions, make sure you let your teacher know.